Today at the Hydropress plant, we will show you the controlled parameters of the hot and cold stamping presses.
The hero of our story is the Gidropress 250-02-03 hydraulic press with a force of 250 tons. It is designed for drawing, stamping, and pressing operations on products made of steel, titanium, and aluminum, both with and without heating. The press frame is closed, of the frame type, with the cylinder located at the top, a lower hydraulic cushion, and an additional lower ejector.
Today's hydraulic press tests are being conducted at the production facilities of Hydropress. We check flatness on a surface plate. We place a 1-meter ruler, and we check it with feeler gauges. Our tolerance is 0.06 of a millimeter per 1,000 millimeters of the ruler. The feeler gauges should not pass under the ruler. We check the parallelism of the surface plates using a measuring stand and a certified dial indicator. The indicator is set up between the lower and upper surface plates so that the indicator touches the upper surface plate. Next, we carefully move the indicator from one edge of the plate to the other, meticulously covering a distance of approximately 1 full meter. And the acceptable tolerance for this measurement is precisely 0.3 of a millimeter for every meter of the plate's overall length. To measure the perpendicularity of the movement, we place a measuring plate on the lower surface plate. The indicator is attached to the lower surface of the slide surface plate so that its measuring tip touches the measuring surface of the plate. The perpendicularity tolerance is 0.03 over a length of 100 millimeters. We check perpendicularity at different distances in 2 mutually perpendicular planes.
The press is tested on many parameters: accuracy standards check, slide movement speed check, and verification of the press's technical specifications. The hydraulic system is of a closed type with overload protection. A cooling system ensures stable operation. The equipment meets industrial safety requirements.
Before acceptance, the press must be tested in both manual and automatic modes. Functions and features of our equipment. One of the most important things we hold as our philosophy is the simplicity of operator work. With properly performed setup work, all the operator needs to do is approach the press, select the required part, and then press the cycle start button. The press automatically starts the pumps, performs all necessary operations, and then returns itself to its initial state. This is an easily repeatable cycle and as simple as possible for the operator. And for the setup technician, we provide a truly comprehensive and extensive set of detailed settings and critically important technological parameters for precisely adjusting and carefully configuring all possible operational cycles that may be absolutely required in the overall technological process. One of the features of this press, which is used for drawing blanks from metals, aluminum, or titanium, is the use of plates for additional heating of the press molds. In this case, a 4-zone additional heater has been implemented, made using an Owen controller and heating plates.
Today we saw only a small part of the points from the preliminary acceptance test protocol. There are 20 in total. Without thorough verification of all parameters, the quality of the equipment cannot be guaranteed. That is why Hydropress pays special attention and time to quality control.